right. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the second live stream this month. I'm doing a live both on YouTube. You are in that camera, and I'm doing a live on Twitter and TikTok on my phone. So, sorry for that. I should be moving that a bit to the side. Better like that, I think. So thanks for joining. We're doing an extra live cast today in connection with the FX merger that starts today. The new products are being released today. I guess most of you have already tried them out. We had almost 100 trial users, and with the discounts that we released this morning, we have, I believe, 15 or 16 new clients. So we're very happy about that. We're very happy with the response. The more clients we get, the more time, energy, money, and just general effort will be made. So you might think that the more customers we get, the less time we will have to improve the quality. We might have too much to do, but that's not the case. With the new clients that's coming in, we are getting the funds that we need to hire more people, hire more customer service people that can help us with the more rudimentary tasks, so that I and my colleagues can focus on developing, continue to focus on developing the best algos out there. Hi John, welcome to this live cast. So if you have any questions for me about anything, any products, anything you want to discuss, anything about the current market conditions, anything about whatever, about the whatever, just send me a chat and I will get to them. I was thinking that I was going to show you a few of the new products. One of the indicators that's the indicator that's actually most sold on the ProRealCode marketplace is a indicator from FXAutomate called the Smart Money Indicator. That's a really interesting indicator that can help you find some like hidden supply and demand zones that you wouldn't ocularly be able to see. You would not find these supply and demand zones if you weren't using this indicator, or if you weren't familiar with the code that's in this indicator. So I'm going to show you that. That's, as I mentioned, the most sold indicator on the ProRealCode marketplace. It's very popular. Yes, the new algos have been mailed out. I do not think you saw it. Okay, so perhaps you haven't received it. If that's the case, check your inbox and send us an email if you haven't. So we will make sure to fix that. What else? We have a couple of viewers. That's good to see. Let's go into IG and I will show you this new Smart Money Indicator. What I'm going to do first is to show you the product page of the Smart Money Indicator. That will help you understand better what it does. As I'm not the author of this indicator, I don't know every single detail. I know the basics of it, but if you want to know more on the detail level, one thing is that you might not get the information because we will not reveal the secrets, but you might be interested in some other details that we are able to share with you if that's the case, then let me know, send us an email, and I will get you that information. But if you go to ProRealAlgos.com, you can click on indicators, and then you will find the smart money indicator. So here it is. Let me just read the description of it. Know where the smart money is getting involved. Detect the hidden market imbalances as well as liquidity supply and demand zones with ease. In order to successfully navigate trading, it is imperative to know where the smart money like institutional traders and banks are getting involved. This indicators is designed to show you those areas. So these are the areas that you will not be able to find with any other indicator. These are kind of hidden. It's based on volume, it's based on the price of the chart, of course, but it's using quite complex code in order to find these zones. If I pull up the screenshot that we have here, you can see how the indicator works. It's showing you on the price charts where these different zones are. So the red zones are supply zones, and that's typically where the smart money is selling. The green zones are the demand zones, and that is typically where the smart money is entering its trades. Here's an example from the Euro USD 1 hour time frame, and you can see here quite an amazing accuracy with the higher highs stopping in these zones and the lower lows stopping in these zones. So it's working very well, and now I will show you how it looks in ProRealTime. It works good on DAX, so I'm going to pull up the DAX hourly chart. While we do that, I have another question. Which of these products is included for existing lifetime customers? The lifetime package that we have been selling before this merger was a lifetime package of all algos. So if you have bought the lifetime package before this merger, you will get all algos that we are releasing ever for a lifetime. You will not get the new product categories, however, which are indicators, codes, edges, and courses. Those are not included in the lifetime algos package. But Jan, you are probably looking for the algos, and you should have received them to your email. We are releasing 4 algos today. We're going to look through them as well. But let's start with the smart money indicator. In order to not reveal any code, I'm going to add it on my other screen here. Right, so here it is, pulling it up on the other screen. Perhaps I should increase the screen size a bit. Let me pull the camera a little like that. Right, so here we go. Here are the supply and demand zones. The red zones are the selling zones. As I mentioned, the green zones are the buying zones. So whatever you are looking to make an entry, let's say a long trade, you would look to do that in a green zone. If you're looking to exit a trade, a long trade, you should do that in a red zone. If you're looking to make a short trade, you should enter the short trade in the red zone and exit the short trade in a green zone. That is if you were only to use the smart money indicator. Of course, you should be able to, you should be using other signals, other indicators in order to make a more informed decision on your trade. But this smart money indicator is a very good and powerful way to find those entry zones, to find those exit zones. And yeah, here it is. Let's see how it has done on the DAX market for the last couple of days. Here we are on a 1 hour time frame. So let's zoom in a bit here. As you can see here, this green zone here showed us where the smart money would enter its trades, And as you can see here, we have 3 different occurrences where the price turned around on exactly this in exactly this zone. So here is where the indicator made its decision to start painting out the zone. We had a low here, we had a low here, and we had a low here. So already on the first time frame in the first chart I look at, these are quite amazing supply and demand zones. If we zoom into the last candlestick here, you can see that there is a selling zone here just at this point here. So it wouldn't surprise me if the market would dive down once it opens tomorrow morning. This zone was plotted from September 27th, so it's quite amazing. And I think you get what this does. It's not very complicated to use. You just look at where these supply and demand zones are, and you use them to make better entries and better exits. If you are looking to make partial exits, it could be a good idea to make it in a supply zone as well. All right, so that's it. Any other questions? I'm going to show you some other products as well. But I'm very open to questions. That's why I'm here. Also, I have a little bit of a surprise for you. As you probably noticed, we had a quite big discount ladder going live this morning, or actually just at midnight, with a discount of 80% on all products, including the lifetime package. So what I want to share with you now, I think it's time for that. It's a surprise in a discount form. It's in a surprise in the form of a discount, and perhaps I should tell you now, or perhaps I should wait just a few more minutes. So what's happened this midnight was that all these discount codes were already used up. So you will still be able to get a 20% discount, but all other discounts are already used up. We only had a 80% discount for one user, a 66% discount for 2 users, and so on. This discount ladder was quite exclusive and let's say big for a few number of a small number of people. Perhaps I should share it with you. So here was the discount ladder. We had a 80% off for the first user, a 66% off for the next 2 users, a 50% off on the next 3 users, and so on. What I have now on my screen here is a button that will reset this discount ladder. So when I click it, what will happen is that once again I will activate this discount ladder, meaning that the first one who makes their order using the merger AD coupon code will get the license with an 80% discount. So I have the button right here in front of me. Whenever I click it, you should just run into the web shop, copy the coupon code that you can find on our Twitter, and just add it to the checkout, and yeah, if you're one of the first, you will get a lifetime license for, I mean, what is it, like, yeah, it's 1/5 of the price, but it's less than 2,000 euros. It's pretty great. I'm going to increase the screens, the coupon codes here for you, so you are ready whenever I click the button. Perhaps I should do it now. Okay, I'm doing it now. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. The discount codes have now been reactivated. So the first one going in and adding the merger 80 discount code to the web shop will get 80% off. The next 2 users who add the merger 66 discount code will get 66% off, and then it's 50%, and then it's 33%. So hurry up! It's will be just out in a few minutes. It's my estimate. What else? Be out of noise. What are the new indicators? What new indicators do you implement in your algos? So we are releasing 2 new algos today based on one of the indicators. The 2 new algos are called the price action trend following Dow M15 and the price action trend following US 100 M15. Those are the 2 algos that are based on the new indicators. So what will happen in the course of the next few months is that we will develop new algos based on these indicators. So the FXAutomate CEO Johan Jacobs, he's been primarily focused on developing indicators. What I'm going to do, what my specialty is making algos. So we're combining his ultimate powerful, very strong indicators and my ability to build strong algos. We're combining these into making even more powerful algos. So that's what will happen in the coming months. Of course, these new algos that we're going to develop are going to need at least 6 months of out-of-sample live testing. So you won't see it on the market, you won't see it available in our web shop for at least 6 months, but it will happen. With that said, John has created 2 algos based on the price action trend following indicator. Let me pull the indicator up. It's one of the most popular indicators on the marketplace as well. It's one of the most popular indicators that he's ever built. So to find that, go to ProRealAlgos.com/indicators. Scroll down a bit and you will find it. Where is it? The pure price action indicator up here in the top right corner. So the 2 algos that are developed on this indicator are the 2 algos that we have just added to the ProRealAlgos website. If you go to ProRealAlgos.com/algos, scroll down to the bottom, you will see the 4 new algos. The 2 algos that are based on this indicator is the PATF, that stands for price action trend following. So it's this one here and it's this one here. You won't see any results as they have not been live yet in release. We have had them live for months in our own accounts, but we are only displaying results here on the algos page that has been that our customers have achieved. So it's not any other kind of results, but you can, however, look at the backtest. Just click this button here and pull it up, and you can see the total results of the different algos. My favorite here is the US 100 M15 one. Johan is asking me if the core strategies are included for us who have the lifetime access. No, the core strategies are a different product category. What you have bought when buying the lifetime algos package is the all algos for a lifetime. So we will be releasing more algos in the coming months. You will get all of them for free. You will get them for a lifetime. You will get the lifetime premium support and so on. But you will not receive any other product categories like indicators, not the edges, not the statistical edges, the code snippets, nor will you receive the core strategies. However, you will receive all algos, of course. Which bank did Juan J used to work for, and what was his role? I'm not sure what the name of the... He has told me, I can't really remember what the name of it was. He described it on his website. Let me check. Having successfully concluded my studies in 2010, graduating with a bachelor's degree in business information technology from University of Greenwich, I spent the next 7 years as a system analyst working for a large multinational company. It was at this point I decided to make a break. Let's see. I can't really say by this description exactly which bank he was working for. I believe it was like a consultant. He has been developing core strategies, what we are calling core strategies, which are very highly adaptable codes for banks as a consultant. That's what I believe that his role was in the bank that he was working for. He was looking for give a information basis, increase the information basis on which fund managers make their larger decisions, meaning are they weighing up, are they going up in risk or lowering the risk. What else was I supposed to talk about today? I see already that we got some orders. The 80% discount is already used now. Sorry for that. Let's see if anyone has ordered a 66% discount. Yes, there's one 66% discount left. So hurry up. It's a few discounts left. John, I will make sure to ask John exactly what his role was in which bank in order for you to verify that. Any other questions? Let me know. You guys want to see any other indicator? One of the more popular ones is the RSI. The RSI power signal. It's one of the most sold indicators on the marketplace as well. What it does is, I find it easier just reading the description. As I'm not the author of it, it's better for me to just read it as Johan would describe it. Here it is, the RSI power signal premium version. This indicator combines multiple RSI signals to find stress point and consequently a shift in trend strength and momentum. The signals are processed and then intuitively presented with clearly defined actionable outputs. This trading indicator combines multiple RSI calculations with price levels to detect market trends, consolidations, and divergences. By using the combination of these techniques, it attempts to provide more nuanced and accurate trading signals. The visualization aspects such as background coloring and line styling enhance the usability and interpretation of the indicator on a trading chart. So let me show you how it looks. I hope you can understand by looking at it with my description what it does. You are of course going to try to find where the RSI is oversold or overbought together with these color zones, and it can make you find very precise points of entry as well as points of exit. And as I mentioned, in the coming months we are going to build a lot of algos. I'm talking we're going to build 50 algos, and as I've mentioned before, one of 10 will actually make it, but we will make 50 algos and we will see which algos are working, but we will base it on these incredibly powerful indicators. It will hopefully create even better algos than what we are offering today. All right, perhaps that's it. I mean, we have answered some questions. I've been showing some indicators, some products, some algos. I have reactivated the discount codes for anyone who want to get the license to a really cheap price. I believe there's one discount left for the 66% off. Then we have 50% off, but it's just a matter of time. These discounts are limited in the number of users, so we already have used quite a lot of them. So if you have no more other questions, I want to thank you again for watching, and we will talk again in the start of November, the first Sunday every month at 7 p.m. That's something you shouldn't forget, because that's the time we are making the live stream. So the next live stream will be on November 5th at 7 p.m. Swedish time. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for purchasing your licenses. We are thriving on the fact that we are getting more clients every day. We are growing, and we will make sure to make your trading experience with us as good as it possibly can be. All right, so thank you and bye.